QBO bank feeds are great, but as mentioned last week with the duplicated credit card payments, sometimes things happen. You don't always need to add or match everything that's in your bank feed. So a few examples of when this would be the case. First off, those credit card payments. If you added the credit card payment from the credit card feed and it's not finding the match in the bank feed, you don't want to add it again. Another issue would be if the bank and Intuit aren't communicating well and the bank feed keeps trying to reconnect and it disconnects and reconnects, it can cause duplicated transactions in your feed. You don't want to add or match all of those. They're duplicates. You don't want them there. The same thing can happen if you're manually uploading some transactions that you got from the bank. It can cause duplicates. So what do we do with these duplicated items that we don't want in there? It's pretty easy. All you need to do is exclude them. And it's actually really simple to do. Here's how. Okay, so we're in QuickBooks now and we have the bank feed, and if we're going to exclude something, it's really easy. You just check the box on the line that you don't want, go to batch actions here, and just click exclude selected, and voila, it's gone. Out of your life forever. Well, not out of your life forever. If you go to the excluded tab over here, you'll see a list of all of your excluded transactions. So if you mess up, all you got to do is under action over here, click undo. If you go back to for review, it throws it right back in your bank feed for you. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.